tattoos, just a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
What is good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please girl, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it poppin'. The eyes of the day is Queen Brown from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie if you want to save your little coin. So it's the 10th Slayer Christmas my true love gave to me. So this is a bomb collaboration today, okay? I've been waiting for this one. This one is in collaboration with my girl Brittney, and you guys know her as TheHeartsandCakes90. First of all, I'm super excited to be collaborating with her because we all know she an OG in the game, okay? If you don't know who she is, I don't know where you've been, and I'm being super serious right now, all right? So first of all, let me go ahead and just give you a little tea on Brittney real quick.
All right, y'all, so this is TheHeartsandCake90, aka Brittney. A lot of us already know her. If you're watching my videos, you probably already know who she is. She is infamous up on here for her wig reviews because she has been in the game for a very, very long time. Like I said, like she's an OG and she's always going to give us a slate and kill it every time. She's also very creative. I do know she's into the arts. She's an art professional, a teacher. She does a little bit of planning. She gives us a little bit of nails up on her channel, a little bit of try on hauls. You're going to find a little bit of everything on her channel, especially if you like the girlier things like I do. And most of all, you're going to get a slay, okay? She does bring us wig reviews every time, and she does do a little bit of makeup tutorials here and there. So like I said, she is going to give you a little bit of everything. So if you're not familiar with her, you definitely need to get familiar with her. And what I do like about Brittney is because she has been doing this for a long, long time, and she has such a humble spirit. She does not treat anyone like she's better than someone. You know what I'm saying? So she's always super supportive of some of the little people coming on up. Like, she's real, and I really, really do appreciate that. And it is a privilege to be collabing with her today. So if you aren't familiar with her, which I will be shocked if you aren't, definitely make sure you swing by her channel and show her some love. It is well deserved. But let's go ahead and get into the video.
So you saw all that juiciness on Brittney. She is a beast in the game, y'all. So y'all definitely make sure y'all head over to her channel, show her some love, see what she over there slaying today. And if you came through from her channel, what's up, boo? Go ahead, drop a comment. Let me know you here and all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, y'all. So for the first time ever, I'm going to be reviewing some clip-ins. And y'all, I'm super excited to bring it to you. Spoiler alert, I absolutely love them. Don't get scared, okay? Don't get intimidated. It's super easy. So this is from Outre. It is part of their big beautiful hair, and it says it's a 100% human hair premium blend, which means a little bit of synthetic thrown up in there. So the style in particular that I have is the 4C corkscrew afro. They do have a couple of other styles out there, and this is in natural brown, and it's clip-ins, 9 pieces. So for the 9 pieces, you do get a couple of, I'll show you guys the back of it. Actually, it gives you a little bit more detail. You do get like a couple of the 3-inch ones, like 3 inches across. You get one 12-inch, a 10-inch. You get different inches, you know, because the different parts of your head is bigger than other parts or whatever. So let's go ahead and get to it.
All right, y'all. So the back of my head is braided straight back. One side on the right, I left some leave out. On the left side, no leave out at all. The top middle part is leave out because that's where I'm going to be parting my hair. If I want to shift it to the middle or the right, I have options. Now, I just wanted the edges out, but I want to show y'all that you can like basically lay this hair on braids or leave out. Now, I am trying to activate my curls. I'm using my Aunt Jackie's Curl Alive, which I absolutely love. As it starts to dry, it will shrivel up and curl. Now, no particular order, I'm just adding the clip-ins. As you can see, it just clips in so easily to the braids. But like I said, it clips in very easily to your hair too. So if you wanted to use these clip-ins just to add some extra body with your actual wash and go and leave out, that's that's fine too. But somebody like me who lazy, my hair's always braided, I'll probably just keep doing it on top of my braids. But it's super snug, it's not going anywhere, and at the same time it doesn't pull your hair either. It has like these little balls at the end like they have on bobby pins, so it's not snagging your hair. Like I could say this is a protective style. Now I'm just trying to sleek it up, jazz it up, do the last finishing touches with my little edge control, whatever, and that's basically it. This is how it came out. I only have like 7 pieces in my hair. It's a 9-piece, so you don't need all of it. And as you can see with the leave out, it does give the appearance of looking natural. It looks like my hair, sis. You can't tell me nothing. So I did go in and add some little gold little jewelries to it just to spice it up a little bit. And this one was my favorite style. It was just super, super cute, but I decided to give y'all a little bit more. So I am going to go in and try to do a little bit more styling with the braid pattern I already have. Like, I'm not about to unbraid nothing, girl. But if you have a different braid patterns, you can do different styles too. But with this one, I just braided up the side. And then I just went ahead and pinned it back. And that was it. You can even go as far as doing the other side too. Like, when it comes to this stuff with these clip-ins, I'm telling y'all, it's super versatile. But this is super, super cute too. So with this style, I was like, okay, let me get like the full all over kind of look. So I added one more clip into the front, and I actually cut myself like some little bangs and stuff like that. And this one is super cute too. This is my second favorite one. I'm like, hold up, who you talking to? This one, I was like, since I have all my edges out, let me take advantage of it. So I just twisted it across, added some gems, and boom. Like, you could do mad stuff with these clip-ins, y'all. I'm telling y'all. But let's go ahead and get into the review portion of the video.
Okay, y'all. So now that you saw me styling this unit and all that stuff, girl, because it's that nice coily, forcey kind of hair, you will get like some tangles when trying to style it, like trying to separate the hair if you wanted to like do twists or something like that. It's just like how it would be with our natural hair. So that is something that I was kind of expecting. But I have this one down at my nape, and it was actually coming out longer because I guess how low I had it. So I wasn't getting that rounded look that I wanted. Now I could have went in with scissors and just shaped it and cut it, but the hair is so full, y'all, that you don't need all 9 pieces, that when I took it out, I was like, oh, that's good. That fixes the problem. So you may need to do a little bit of trimming to get it how you want it. And that could be a con for some, because if you want to use the hair again and again and you chopping up the hair, then you're going to get a different style every time if you're not going to be positioning these clip-ins in the same exact position as the last. Let's get into a few things that I like about this unit. So first of all, as you guys know, I am absolutely in love with the texture of this unit. I think they did very, very well with resembling 4C hair. Sometimes you get 4C hair and the curls are very, very curly. But this is very coily, and we're getting like that you know, that shrinkage. Like, it looks super natural. I love that it blends in super, super easy with your natural hair. I did Texlax my hair. So if you guys saw some pieces of my hair that looked a little more stringy than other pieces, it's because I processed those pieces a little too much. Texlaxing is a whole different story. We're not even going to get into that with this video. Like, the ends of my hair, like this, that's my hair. That's my hair, and it blends so seamlessly with this hair. My hair is a little bit darker than this. Like I said, this is natural brown, but when I ordered it, that was like the only color left, but they do have some other color options. To the naked eye, like, nobody's gonna be clocking me that hard to know, you know what I'm saying? So it's good. I like that this hair is very versatile and you can do different styles with it. You can do so much with this. This is a protective style, and I do like that the clip-ins are super easy to take in and out, so it does not get tangled in your hair. The combs have like the nice little ball ends like on bobby pins, so it's not pulling your hair. Like, y'all, I had these clip-ins sitting in here since like August or something like that. I don't know. Like, they've been here since the summertime, and because I never did clip-ins, I was kind of intimidated, and I was like, I'm gonna do it, but nah, that's gonna be too much work. Yo, this was so easy, and I'm super mad that I've been sleeping on it, and I'm super happy that USPS been delivering my packages late, because if it wasn't for them, this one would not been bust out the bag today. So I'm super happy with the results, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like, the hair is soft, but it does feel a little bit dry. But I was spraying a little bit of my water, and I had like a little mix of a little bit of almond oil in it just to soften it up a little bit, and it did work out really, really well. As far as getting my natural hair to blend with it, this is my ultimate. Like, I used Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard for my hair because it works wonders. I mean, my hair does take a little bit of time to actually start curling too, but as you can see, we got it because it was looking real straight at the beginning. I know y'all probably was like, girl, that ain't gonna work. I love this hair. I just love it. Like, I am getting natural motherland queen. Listen, my husband is very picky. He doesn't like anything. Like, it's very rare that he likes something, and I know before he told me he didn't like short, curly, kinky kind of styles on me, but he loves this one. This is the bomb. Like, I feel so gorgeous in this. I feel super beautiful with these clip-ins and look so natural. Like, oh my gosh. And this actually makes me want to continue to grow my natural hair more so I can wear it out so it can get to this look. Like, this is so bomb, y'all. This is so bomb. And Outre did a really good job at mimicking our little corkscrews. Like, they killed it. I can't front. My favorite part of it all is it's super cheap. Like, this hair is only $20 on average, but I think that this is a popular one because when I was looking for it, girl, all they had was a natural brown, and it kind of sells out as soon as they get them. So you do have to look for this, but I know that Outre does have some other ones other than the corkscrew afro. And y'all, I know I'm not bugging, but I feel like I saw Sensational drop some clip-ins like this week too. I haven't tried them, of course. This one is older than them all. So listen, this is the first one I tried. They have a lot to live up to because this I love. And if I don't love those, I'm just gonna have to stick with this because this is it, y'all. This is it. This is all natural. All right, y'all, that is it because y'all already know how I feel about these little clip-ins. And if I just keep on ranting, I'm gonna just keep telling y'all how much I love it. So of course I will put in the description box the direct link so when you could go ahead and try to shop around for this if you want to try to get your hands on it, because this is everything. It's everything. And again, the eyes that I'm wearing today is going to be Queen Brown from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie. Make sure y'all head over to TheHeartsandCake90, and thank you again so much for being part of my Christmas series. I appreciate you so much. You don't even know. Again, if y'all are from her channel, welcome to the channel. I welcome you all. What's up? What's going on? What's going on? How y'all doing this holiday season? But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all, because I could keep on going. I like the hair. I like it. But I'll see y'all later. Mwah.
I'm gonna